Hi koalas, hope you're doing well. Today I'd like to talk to you about hospitals. Now, have you ever been to a hospital before? And if you did, were you sick or were you visiting somebody? So, what is a hospital? Okay, when you're ill or really hurt, you go to the hospital. And in a hospital, there are many different jobs. Okay, there are many different people who work there. So, can you name some of them? Okay, so doctors work in a hospital. Okay, this is a doctor. This is also a doctor. Okay, this is also a doctor. Now, who else works in a hospital? Nurses. Okay, this is a nurse. This is a nurse. Now, these nurses and doctors all have specific jobs to help patients, okay? A patient is someone who is sick, okay, or hurt. Now, what happens in a hospital? For example, you fall and you hurt yourself really, really badly and you think you might have a broken bone. Where do you go? You go to the hospital, okay? And you go take an X-ray, okay? An X-ray might look like something like this. So this is an X-ray of a foot, okay? An X-ray is a very special camera, okay, that can see through your body, okay? And a special doctor can read them. You can see if you have any broken bones. Now, if, for example, you have a broken foot, a doctor might have to plaster it up like this, okay, to keep your foot safe from getting injured more, okay, so it can heal properly. Now, what else happens in a hospital? Something magical, something beautiful, okay? Women give birth to newborns in hospitals, okay? The lady here is called a midwife, okay? She is there all the way through, okay? She helps the woman give birth, okay? And she helps take care of the baby while the baby is in the hospital before going home. What else happens in a hospital? Sometimes when you go to a hospital, you only spend an hour or two, okay, for a checkup or see what's wrong with you if you're sick. Other times you have to spend the night, okay, and this is what your bed might look like if you spend the night. Okay? Many buttons and many special things, okay, and functions. Okay, that bed would make you feel very safe and comfortable. Now, there are lots of machines and equipment in a hospital. This is one of them. Okay, this monitors your heartbeat. Okay, this machine goes deep, 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 deep. Okay, it makes that kind of sound, a beeping sound. Okay, what is this equipment? Have you ever seen this before? Okay, this is to check your blood pressure. Okay, it's a pump. Psh, 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 psh. Okay, squeezes your arm real tight. Okay, has a doctor or a nurse ever done this to you before? Okay, so in an emergency situation, an ambulance is called to quickly take someone to the hospital, right? So people on board are super duper. Okay, who are they? Do you remember what they are called? Paramedics. Okay, this paramedic here is strapping a patient onto a bed, okay, to safely take him into the ambulance. Okay. Now, how do ambulance drivers let other drivers know, okay, when they are in a hurry, when they need to move out the way? What sound does an ambulance make? That's right. Okay, so these are all the things that happen in a hospital. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye, koalas.